Hey there, welcome to the 6th episode where we are refactoring a legacy NodeJS application. In this episode we're gonna set up Prettier for consistent code formatting. Let's start with installing the needed dependencies. We need Prettier for formatting, eslint-plugin-prettier for eslint and prettier to work together, and eslint-config-prettier for them to not have any conflicts with configurations. Next, let's configure Prettier and override some defaults. So we create a file here called .prettierrc, and we add a simple configuration. Tabs should be 4 spaces because that's the best, except for YAML files, then it should be 2 spaces. Next, let's configure eslint to work with Prettier. So we navigate here into eslint.rc and find here parser, and here we're going to add a new section for plugins, Prettier, and then we're gonna need to add here plugin prettier commented. Alright. Next, let's add scripts to run Prettier. So we navigate here into package.json and find here scripts. And here we're gonna add Prettier. So we want to run and check if everything is correct. So that's prettier check and dot because we're gonna check everything, every file, and then prettier fix to fix everything, and that's gonna run prettier right. Alright. Next, let's see if this is working. So we run here npm run prettier, okay, and then we run prettier fix to fix everything. We can see many files got changed because we were moving from 2 spaces to 4 spaces. So if we check out one file, we can see that's indeed the case, but we can verify this later in GitHub. Next, let's configure GitHub Actions to run Prettier. So we navigate into the file and find here run lint. So we actually want to move this here before the unit tests. And here we add run Prettier. Let's create a branch and see GitHub Actions in action. The pull request is here, but it's failing, so let's check out why. So Prettier is running, that's good, but it's complaining about the onPull request file. So let's try to fix that. npm run prettier fix, and let's push that. Let's see if it's working. It's working! So let's check out the files real quickly here. The main change I see is moving from 2 spaces to 4 spaces. So I think we're good to go. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. It was a simple one. In the next video, we'll do something more exciting.